The 1991 Mercedes S-Class W140 is often remembered as one of the most ambitious and over-engineered luxury sedans ever built. It was the car that redefined what a flagship Mercedes should be: powerful, silent, technologically advanced, and built with no compromises. Even today, decades later, the W140 stands as a symbol of Mercedes-Benz's golden era of engineering, where cost was secondary and perfection was the goal. When Mercedes unveiled the W140 in 1991, it stunned the automotive world. The design was bold, solid, and imposing. Its boxy yet elegant shape reflected authority and confidence. Everything about it screamed quality, from the heavy doors that shut with a signature thunk to the thick glass and precise panel gaps. The W140 wasn't just designed, it was engineered to outlast generations. Even its mirrors automatically folded inward to avoid damage in tight spaces, a feature rare for its time. Under the hood, Mercedes offered a range of powerful engines. The lineup started with the S280 and S320 inline-six models, followed by the S420 and S500 equipped with V8 engines. But the highlight was the mighty S600, powered by a 6.0-liter V12 engine producing around 408 horsepower. This made the S600 one of the most powerful sedans of the early 90s. The V12 delivered effortless acceleration and unmatched smoothness, propelling this nearly 2-ton luxury machine with authority and grace. The W140 wasn't just about power, it was about refinement. It introduced several technologies that were revolutionary for its time. It was the first car to feature double-pane insulated glass, reducing cabin noise and improving temperature control. It also had soft closing doors and a power-assisted trunk lid, ensuring that even the smallest interaction with the car felt luxurious. Parking was made easier with retractable guiding rods that popped up from the rear fenders to help drivers judge the car's massive size before parking sensors became common. Inside, the W140's cabin was a sanctuary of comfort and craftsmanship. The materials were top-notch. Fine leather, polished wood trim, and chrome accents surrounded passengers. Every surface felt substantial and carefully finished. Rear passengers enjoyed immense space and optional power-adjustable seats, something unheard of in many cars at the time. The climate control system was fully automatic and could be customized for individual zones, offering precise comfort on every drive. Mercedes didn't hold back on safety either. The W140 was among the first sedans to offer features like electronic stability control, traction control, and dual airbags. Its solid structure provided exceptional crash protection, earning it a reputation for being built like a tank. In fact, the W140 was so advanced and heavy that Mercedes had to develop stronger brakes and suspension systems just to handle the additional weight of all its technology and safety equipment. Driving the W140 was an experience unlike any other luxury sedan of its era. The steering was precise yet effortless, and the suspension absorbed bumps with a sense of calm composure. The car glided over rough roads as if floating, maintaining complete control and comfort. The silence inside the cabin was remarkable. Thanks to the thick glass and superior insulation, even at high speeds, the world outside seemed to fade away. The W140 also marked a turning point in luxury car technology. It introduced early versions of systems that would become standard decades later, such as electronic throttle control, adaptive damping, and even a precursor to modern infotainment systems with its integrated phone and audio setup. Every innovation added to its image as the ultimate executive car, used by world leaders, business magnates, and diplomats worldwide. Though production ended in 1998, the 1991 Mercedes S-Class W140 remains one of the most respected vehicles ever built. Its engineering excellence, durability, and timeless design have earned it a legendary status among car enthusiasts. It was expensive to build and maintain, but it represented an era when Mercedes-Benz prioritized perfection over profit. Today, a well-maintained W140 still feels special. That smooth V12 hum, the weight of the doors, the calm silence of the cabin all remind you that this car was built with a purpose: to be the best in the world. The 1991 W140 S-Class wasn't just a luxury sedan, it was a statement of power, innovation, and craftsmanship. It remains one of the finest examples of what happens when engineers are given total freedom to create without limits. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the legendary 1991 Mercedes S-Class W140 and want more classic car stories, deep dives, and modern reviews, make sure to subscribe to Ride Radar. Stay tuned for more timeless machines and the stories that made them icons of automotive history.